Neta kuma minister in ministry na baso manet na thuna Julius Migosi Ogamba kole go genyuri autika manak sago la chetinye gangal sit na batye mo chika baror chaba KCSA chitista ene met kumugola agot ko notan kuma Migosi gole agot ko tinge age uti chatan go getasta gep chika ko tike bangat chike tugula chiginyor to chaba ta geben simo shiga agora ke wal afisa kyata chetelal jin chemo te kyata chaba barora agot ko notan kuma gole mi ta serkali tena ba imone gergola ge moch ke ite muti chatan ba baror enoret
Fee structure in this new education system has not changed. The fee structure remains as stipulated in the Kenya Gazette of 2015. Remember, the guidelines that we released referred to the Kenya Gazette of 2015, which stipulates the. We continue to monitor weather conditions affecting some parts of the country. Floods, damaged road networks and access challenges persist, particularly in northern and western regions. Working alongside the Ministry of Interior and Disaster Response teams, we have established temporary collection points, enhanced security escort routes, and deployed helicopters to ensure all examination materials reach their destinations safely and on time. It must be clearly understood that no candidate will miss the examination due to environmental disruptions. Where necessary, additional resources will be mobilized immediately to guarantee continuity of the national examinations calendar. Upholding integrity is a shared responsibility that benefits our children and strengthens national development. Let me take this moment to acknowledge the exemplary service of our teachers, center managers, security officers, county education teams, and officials stationed in sub-counties throughout the country. Their sacrifice ensure that this important national exercise unfolds smoothly every day. We are grateful for their vigilance, diligence, and patriotism. The government of Kenya remains fully committed to delivering secure and credible examinations. We will maintain vigilance until the last paper is completed and the final script is processed. 19 isolated cases of suspected malpractice have been formally recorded across Nyanza, Rift Valley, and eastern regions that have been reported to me as at the 6th of November 2025. These incidents primarily involve the misuse of electronic devices, unauthorized materials, early exposure, and impersonation. In every instance, decisive action has been taken, which include replacement of center managers, supervisors, and invigilators, arrest and prosecution of over 22 individuals by the Directorate of Criminal Investigations, seizure of mobile phones and photocopied materials, and deployment of neck of
en kasratan goisha Migosi logo ikige moygole ko imuj kotes ministry na baso maneta chep kondok chegilibani en segole se kegriwe chotan ko senior secondary school en kaw enta unet ap ken ba kenyit na nyore legi miti Migosi gole mitata sergali tap imone ogergole imuj ko nyor chege kipso manek tugul tetuti ke baso manet en yimimindo
fees that is payable by all categories of our schools. So no fee has changed. The structure of the fees has not changed. The amount of capitation has also not changed. We are paying 1,500 for primary, 15,000 for junior school, and 22,240 for senior school or for secondary schools. So that fee has not changed. That was a misunderstanding of the guidelines because they did not refer to the second part of what was in that particular guideline because it referred to the Kenya Gazette of 2015, which is currently in operation. So the fee has not been changed at all.